Hello everybody, going to show you guys how to pick a lock with a Swiss Army knife. You may have one of these lying around, you might need to get into your house. I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing we're going to do is take the tweezers out. We're going to make a tension wrench out of this. Just going to make about a 90-degree bend on either side here. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay. Doesn't have to be much, just enough to get a little bit of tension on the lock. Okay, the next thing, we'll take out the toothpick. We're going to use this to pick the pins, and what we're going to do is, you can see the individual pins. This is what your house lock will have on it. I'm going to push that all the way in there, and let's see here. And then pull up. It's going to get the pins to go up there, and you're going to hopefully rake it. That's the technique you're going to be using. Looky there, finally got it. So it is possible to pick a lock with your standard Swiss Army knife. May take a few tries, but after a little while you'll get it. Just be sure to apply some light tension. Then you'll eventually be able to get it. Just push the pins all the way up and rake them back out. And go ahead and subscribe for more if you like the video. I want to see some more videos of how to pick locks, how to use household items to pick locks. So thanks for watching.